Well, good night, everyone. I'm right here, and I'm looking at my TV. So we'll play this song. It's at 23rd Psalms, right? So we are here, and we are doing tremendous development here at the lab with the blessing of the Lord, right? Um, Radio station, right? And how you guys like this, right? So we took the time and I did my homework. You know, I showed you guys that editor that I first conceptualized in my head, and I went back and I sat down and I thought about everything. And I went and I looked in my video studio and I looked at all the controls and I looked at a lot of stuff. But this one is a dangerous one. This is an AI. All the stuff I explained to the AI to write within the program. You see, I can use this as my IPTV station too, you know? Because see, I'm live right here. Okay? That way, right? And we got live cam. You know what live cam is? So you guys, watch this. I can bring up a live cam, you know what I mean? So I have not even tried it yet. Maybe I should try it. That's what it's doing. We don't know what's going on yet. Okay. That's what I'm saying. It's doing thing, but it's right aside. So I'm not trying a lot of stuff. Oh, we got playlist thing. Okay, all right. Right? I guess we can create a live playlist and we got the AI thing. See, the AI takes over here. AI editing. Watch this. I had off some stuff. I don't know what it did. Music video, animation, analyze. See, I was trying to. We got to go back and do some more stuff that I guess, so I can try to find out how we can pull in the animation inside of the thing because I wanted to have really have an animation library. I thought it would actually create an example animation library for me where we can really pull animation from. But I guess I got to go back and talk to the computer and talk to the AI and say, listen, create an animation library and pull like royalty-free animation from around the web into it for me, you know, things like that. But yes, the studio have a companion, the AI. Okay. So how am I doing, you guys? You start to like it? Huh? Am I doing all right or what? You know what I'm saying? I'm like just trying to get it together. Okay. So let's and I'm doing all this right here. Check this. I'm doing all this right here. You know this thing I said? Let me look at the bottom here. Oh, okay. I gotta try to look at the bottom. And you see, new software. I gotta figure out how to close this AI window. Tripping, right? When you write something and I've not did the user manual to it yet. Tomorrow I'll instruct the AI after going over everything to do something. So we got AI right here. Okay, that's right. Okay, that's where I'm gonna lock up the AI. And it brings the okay. See, I wanted the library in. It brought the library here. I can go to the library and I can grab stuff from the library right now. Let me see what I got here in this library. We can grab this from. You should be able to drop it. I guess click on it, all right, and it automatically load. I guess some stuff like that, all right. So that's basically like what's going on right there. So we got caption overlay, and then we got a lot of stuff going on. You know, just a lot of stuff going on here. A lot of stuff happening. Oh, let me see the mixer. Whoa. Hello. See, I was thinking of something, early on. Okay, pre this. I was trying to. Let's stop this. Okay. Did you know I explained to the AI why when I loaded the recording studio file in it and said, build a recording studio for me. And it said, Vaughn, it's too long. I'm like, okay. But it still had leftover from yesterday stuff to do for this. And it actually took some stuff that I wrote about making the pan and then making, oh, hell. Will you see this now? Will you seeing this? I never made the notation to the AI in the first video draft that I did, but I made that notation while telling to build a recording studio, and I don't see the recording studio on the interface, but I'm now seeing the mixer that I described there. Okay, so and this is set up so I can add channels. Huh. So I thought about it too. And I thought about just making this thing a multi-track as well, adding multi-track to it. And so I think I'm gonna speak to the AI. AI, yeah, my man, just add multi-track recording to the thing. You understand? Create me a new multi-track. I mean audio effect box. Add on to the box of the audio, so we get to do the same thing. Because I think the AI get confused because when I was creating the recording studio, I was saying to the AI, go ahead and throw a video screen in there so we can do sound to picture lock, right? But that's in the video studio already automatically. See? And if you think about what is really missing, it would be the fact that we can just record a bunch of audio track, right? And score a video behind it, right? And I think I'm gonna think more because there is that thought in my mind about having that both thing in one. So you guys, wow, we're gonna get out of here now because we don't want the video really long. And I'm seeing that I have a nice audio mixer. It's got a master there, and it's got wow music channel and video channel and all that stuff. So that's that means the AI is learning. Did you know I uploaded the new recording studio file and it said it was too long, right? So I've got to go back and shorten it and give it the AI the short version. Because what I was doing, I was actually giving the AI examples of actual examples of waves and bunch of stuff, editing and this and that. So the reason why the AI is saying it's too long because I'm on a free version. If I was on a paid version, then it probably use a different AI model to achieve that. And I don't know if what I'm asking for the recording studio at this period of time that the AI is able to build it, but I think I'm gonna have it. If it build this, I'm gonna reconstruct this all over again, but just audio. That's what I actually did. I drafted the studio the way I drafted the video editor, and but because I just got over carried away and added the example. If I was following my mind, I would have left those things out and would have built the thing for me. Okay. So you guys, so I'm here. We got a lot of stuff happening here. Capture frame. So even though the capture framing is cool, we may remove that capture frame now window that we have now in the community. Say remove capture frame window because we have capture frame inside of the editor right now. And yes, we got a bunch of effects right here. You guys, you see the effects, right? Um, and let's get this going right here. I don't know. I don't think it's finished. It's done right in it yet, because I think it's still going to put some stuff in it because, wow, it gave me it. Okay, I was looking at that. So I asked, open a new file, right? Recent file. save as a movie, save as a movie, save as a and save movie. Right. I need to update it somewhat more. So watch the edit and the view and the effect and the tool and the help. See those things not cause like help, I didn't put help there. Tools, um, uh, help, I didn't put help. Tools. So some other idea is ticking in the AI head that I know not of, because the AI placed these up here and only one is working. So I guess when I go back, because it's how I really go, you know. When I come to the AI keep analyzing the program and it analyzes it to tell me what I need in the program. So if it puts menus up there that's really not working and stuff like that, it's still doing a bunch of analyzing. And next time I come back in tomorrow's session, it will definitely add what's not there. That's cool. That's cool, like really cool. Let me get out of here and like done this video. I'm like, oh, oh, I'm just like blown away. So now I'm over here as the administrator, and I also made a second logged in. So you know when you're on this side now, you see like import videos and all the stuff, but you're not gonna see me. And if I go over back into the dashboard, you're only gonna get your feed and your page manager and that kind of stuff, right? Because remember, for creators and stuff, hey, you're just gonna come over and pay as a creator and use all this stuff. And that's still not separated stuff. The thing that a user may get, that's not a creator, will be only one thing: the ability to create a video page and go live, right? You will get this. But you won't get the live TV page because you're not really paying, right? You won't get this version, but you will get this version, you know? And most likely you also will get create an audio page too as well. So you will get the gallery, right? And you'll get, well, you can create a shop because it's cool because you have to actually deal with us transaction wise. Depends. The shop may be free because you can just cash out. So the way the shop is set up right now, it's probably a fee for you to have a store. You know, as a member, we'll probably get a cheap price. What you call a $5 a month store or some nonsense like that, right? And once we start doing better e-commerce within the site, then it'll be a cost, right? But if you sell, well, we have to organize some things in the shop. If you sell in the shop and you're not paying for the shop, then we still do all the transaction and still charge a transaction fee. That's about it. But if you have your own thing, you're paying for it already as a paid creator. Everything, we have the web development package and everything. So, it's everything we create around here. It's got a little AI thing going on with it. You know what I mean? So everywhere you walk through, um, in the media community, like when you come in and things like that, and you move around, okay, so as a user, we was there, let's go back, and you move around, you will notice that you keep coming into the AI thing, right? It's simple, right? It's a simple thing, right? The AI is all over the place in this program. You know what I mean? Let me step out of the way, AI. Okay, let the AI do this, I go. Oh, okay, let the AI do this, I go. If you go over to the radio station, radio network here, but if you um, AI again, you know what I mean? If you go into business, AI, everything has an AI in it. Assisted by AI throughout the whole site. Okay, let me give you guys something that I wrote today that I did not put up into the system because I was waiting for the studio to be built. I actually developed a virtual music production company on paper, and the personnel, the A&R, and everybody that's running the company is an AI agent. And all you got to do is, as an artist, just come there and put in your music and hook up your PayPal thing. And the AI take care of everything for you. Now, for companies and things like that, paying us a fee to have their own distribution panel there, and they can distribute and collect their money because they're paying us a fee. And for others who can't afford a distribution panel, right? Then what happened? We do the distribution just like SoundCloud and anybody else out there. But it's something geared for music production companies to retain and operate and do their own distribution because it's the way of the future. When I was a kid, they used to print music in Jamaica. Once they make CD, you understand? Everything went south from the wax. And then before the CD got really even set in, they brought electronic music. So you see, a lot of us, or even a lot of people, Jamaicans in the business and things, them lack of the knowledge of the technology. It's only the new set of youth them who come to the future of the technology who are going to embrace certain things in technology. You know, lucky that I've been studying computer programming so I can embrace and see the future for what it is and see what we need to give to the musician of tomorrow. Our media people, not just so much as trying to make money and offer advertisement and these things, but trying to give real tools that make real sense and give real power to the people and that's doing the thing. You know, so I'm out. Okay, so you guys take care.